Tweet from Captain, and it says you need to rename a column in a table with 50 million rows and nearly zero downtime. What's your step-by-step approach? This is a very interesting question, and I felt okay, I should react to it. Oftentimes, when we see questions like this, technical questions, we immediately switch into this technical mode where we are looking for this perfect mystery answer. But it's very important to take a step back and try to look at it from a real world situation. In the real world, what does zero downtime actually mean? It's simple. Business has to continue running while you make the changes that you're making, right? So, following that, let me give you a simple analogy. Let's say you have a bucket representing your current column. Now, this bucket holds all your data. This data would be like water or something, whatever in the real world, right? But now it's no longer, good enough. It's no longer big enough to hold that amount of water. What do? You grab a second bucket that is actually bigger, right? And you gradually transfer water from the smaller bucket to the bigger bucket. Once you've transferred this water and you confirm that it's not leaking and it's okay, what do? You've completely switched to, the bigger bucket, and you then stop using the older one. Simple, right? Now, if we circle back to the technical side of things, it's the same exact process. And what we call this is the expand, migrate, and contract. And what this simply means is you add a new column, the adding of the new column is, the expand, then you implement dual writes in your application code, right? That backfills data in small batches into your new column. Then after that, you switch, you switch your reads from the new column. Sorry, you switch your reads to the new column after you're done with the old one. This saves you, all those scary table locks and stuff that kills traffic during migrations like this. Of course, there are other ways that you can handle this. This is not the only way that you can handle it. But the expand, migrate, and contracts is one of the safest and most reliable way, that works for most of the cases or anywhere that you're trying to apply this. Anyways, I just felt I should react to this. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you guys in another one.